Hi, my name is Nick Devine. I am the Design and Fabrication Engineer in Gannon's Center for Manufacturing and Technology. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the custom challenge coins we made using 3D printing and casting pewter. These are the finished challenge coins. What we're going to do is walk through the step-by-step process of how we got here. The first step is to create a CAD model of the actual coin itself. We then took this CAD model and 3D printed it with multiple iterations on our SLA resin printer. This printer gives very high detailed quality prints so we could see what the finished product would look like. After we were happy with the coin, we then printed a plastic positive mold. This plastic positive mold was used to cast a silicone rubber negative. This silicone is specially formulated to handle the high temperatures required for casting pewter. Once we cast both halves in the silicone, we then were able to clamp them together to create our finished mold. With the mold, we then poured molten pewter into it. This pewter is poured at a much lower temperature than other metals, which is why the silicone was able to survive. After a minute of cooling down, we were able to demold each of the coins. We removed the sprue and the vents with snips and then filed them smooth. After the coins are cleaned, the next step in the process is to apply an agent that patinas them quickly. So this solution is able to take the shiny coin and instantly make it look aged and weathered. This is just applied with a brush to both sides and allowed to sit for a couple minutes before we rinse it off in the sink. After we apply the weathering agent, then we take it over to the sink to rinse off the excess. This leaves us with a coin that is very dark and needs to be polished. Using a buffing wheel, we're then able to polish the high spots on the coin, giving a nice contrast. This is how we finished off each of the coins. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like more information about this project or some of the other things we've built here at the Makerspace, please reach out to us at makerspace@gannon.edu.